Look at that.
Nice.
Nice basil sardine. Mmm.
Yes.
We're going to love this zippoli. They are beautiful.
Hi and welcome to Vincenzo's Play. Oh yeah, today we have Maria here helping us to make zippoli Calabrese.
Sì.
Beautiful, how can we describe them? They're like donuts, but savory donuts. They can also be sweet.
Sweet too.
From Calabria, zippoli, also called zeppole. Up to you.
Up to you. Zippole con la sardina dentro.
With anchovies. Okay, so what ingredients do we need, Maria?
Farina plain.
Plain flour.
Plain farina.
About 3 kilos.
Beh, 3 kg farina.
And then how much water do we
Dopo
need?
mettiamo 2 tazze di acqua.
2 cups of water, okay, hot water.
Hot water,
Hot
not
water.
really hot.
But
Just
from the tap, hot, yeah.
And then mettiamo per 2 spoon di sale.
For 3 kilos of flour.
Sì, metti
Okay.
sì, pochettino.
And then we use
E then mettiamo il lievito.
we use 1 satchel of dry flour for each kilo of flour. So
Sì.
if you use 1 kilo of flour,
Mettiamo una
one satchel,
sì,
yeah,
una
and maybe half cup of water.
Water.
There you go. Okay, Maria, what's
Sì.
the first thing that we do?
ce ne metto un cucchiaio di sale.
Okay, so 1 spoon of
1
salt
spoon
in
salt.
the hot water.
E
Yes.
una e mezza.
Okay, she wants 1.5 of
Yeah,
salt.
una e mezza sale.
We like salt. And then what do we
E
do?
then mettiamo una
One.
tre.
3. You help me to open one. You open one.
Sì, open one. Tre sachet. Sì.
1, 2, and 3.
3.
Perfect.
Lavato.
Okay. We need to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, but a little bit. Show us how a little bit is.
Okay, a little bit of olive
Can we
oil.
translate it into? Can we say how many grams of?
2-3 cucchiai.
Okay, 3 spoons of extra virgin
Cucchiaine.
olive oil.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Here.
Cucchiaio.
That's for
Grazie.
you, Maria.
Grazie.
Can smell the lievito. Beautiful yeast.
That's it.
It needs to look like
Yeah.
the yeast is boiling.
Yeast, that's right.
So you want to see the bubbles.
Bubbles.
When the bubbles start,
Start.
then
And
we
then
mix it with the flour.
We mix it with the flour.
We have to wait until the yeast
Sì, sì.
activates.
Sì.
Because if it doesn't activate,
No,
there's no
non va
point.
bene. Non va bene, non facciamo zippole, se no. Senza zippole oggi.
Facciamo il flat zippoli.
That's it. That's it.
Why do you put a plate on top?
Perché deve essere bello un pochettino caldo.
Ok.
Un po' caldo il lievito comincia a alzare sopra.
Right, okay, so the heat helps
The heater
to get a bubble.
to get bubbles.
Okay. When do you make zippoli or zeppole?
Le micro zippole quando facciamo qualche festa.
During when a party, Christmas,
Easter, o facciamo qualcosa in compleanno.
So it's a celebration dish. When you have zippoli around, it means you're celebrating.
Celebration.
So maybe you can have it every day then. We celebrate life every day. Oh, you see what's happening there?
Comincia a essere.
Starting the bubbles.
Just start the bubble.
Yeah.
To be ready. We leave it a couple of minutes more.
It's such an important thing, Maria?
See, that's the important thing to put in a flour.
If we don't do that,
If you don't do that, they never rise up.
never. Okay.
It's like a bread. If you don't put the rice, they never rise up.
Thank you, teacher.
It's okay.
See how it changed? See the bubbles?
E tutti i bubbles che vengono
All the
sopra.
bubbles came up.
They all
Show
come
us the
up.
mix. How we touch it.
Well, we just mix a little
See?
bit.
How many times have we made this, Maria? Like for how long? For 20 years, for 30 years, for 50
maybe
years?
30 years, maybe.
So you're telling me you're 40 or 40 years old?
That's it.
Can I put it in?
Yes, you can put it in.
You make a well?
And now we make a hole there.
Can I put it in?
And
Let's
we
go.
keep it all in. That's it, all in it.
Beautiful.
That's it. Thank you. Put the rest in. And a
Don't
little bit
waste.
more
No
hot
waste.
water, please.
More water here.
Yes, that's hot enough.
I'll put a little bit more water there.
Yeah.
No waste.
Now,
Just a little bit, not much. So maybe half glass
yeah, and then you got to put some more water in it.
later on.
Yes, because that's not enough. We see how we go.
So you start with a little bit of water and then
A
we'll see how
little
we
bit of
go.
water, and then we add more water. We just I put a little bit of water in.
So you put 2 more cups.
2 cups more. See, if you need more, you have to put a bit more.
So we start with 2 cups.
Yes.
And then we see how we go.
That's really, say, 4 cups now.
2 cups at a time.
Yeah.
And you just massage the, you knead the dough.
All the flour to make it nice and soft. A bit more water, please. Put a bit more water for me, please. Hot. Put another 2 cups. Right?
So basically, if you're using only 1 kilo flour,
if
you're in 2 to 4 cups is more than enough.
Oh yeah. Just a little bit more, please.
We have the 6 cup of water now.
Yes, that's it.
Oh, a little bit more water and then you're done, it looks like, huh?
Just a little, not much. Just see how we're going. Hands with the flour there. That's all right. That's okay. See, you gotta work it out, you know.
Oh my God, you're so strong.
That's it.
You're very strong.
Not anymore. I was once. I might have the other bit of water, please. And I show you.
So we use basically 6 cups.
A little bit more?
Yeah, please.
6 cups for 3 kilos of flour.
That's
Plain
good.
flour.
Thank you. All gotta go.
So it's ready when it's
When it rise, and then we leave it now to rise.
for 1 hour you want to leave it, okay.
About half an hour.
So let's say knead it for about 15, 20 minutes.
Minutes to come in nicely.
So make sure there's no stress left in your body. And then
Yes.
you let it rest for about 1 hour.
Yes. All done now.
Beautiful. Come and have a look. This is when you know when it's ready. That's when you know
That's all
when it's ready.
You make the cross.
You make the cross.
Thanks God.
What do you do the cross?
Just do the cross. God help.
You need the God
To
help.
To help.
Because without God, there's no food.
That's right. My mama always make a cross on the bread.
Do it for us. Show
When
us.
she makes
Show us.
bread.
Do the cross for us. 1, 2. Brava.
See?
Let it rest.
Better now.
About 1 hour.
Say
yes.
better now.
Oh, Maria. Allora, let's see how the dough is. Let's have a look.
Let's have a look. How nice
Look at that.
Look
Oh,
how lovely
Look
is
at
that.
that.
beautiful
Lovely.
zippoli dough.
Oh, nice
That's
and moist.
beautiful.
Come on. Let's show us how to make one, please,
Alright.
Maria. Show us.
Made a little bit of oil on here.
All right.
Just wet your hands.
So we got anchovies over here, ladies and
Anchovy
gentlemen.
there.
Look, we got
Yeah.
anchovies. Come and have a look.
Anchovies here. That's your anchovy there.
Look at that.
And we put a little bit of oregano, if you want
Basil,
to.
basil.
Basil, sorry. A bit of
Look at
basil.
that.
Okay.
Beautiful. Get a small peas. What are you doing, Maria?
I do the zippoli.
Small dough.
Small dough.
So it's important to have the oil there, huh?
I'll just put the sardines.
The sardine in there.
Sardine.
Put the
and-
basil too.
And put a little bit of basil.
Beautiful.
And then you roll it up like that. Like that.
Very important to roll it properly.
Right, so you have to make a twist.
Yes.
Twist it.
Twist it like that.
Beautiful.
Is that nice?
And then you fry it at 180 Celsius.
Yes, here.
Put it in.
Okay.
Nice. So what's your favorite ingredient? You put just sardines and
Sardine, a little bit of basil.
so here we have Tony. Tony, who are you, Tony?
I'm the turner.
So you're in charge of
I'm in charge
cooking
of
it.
cooking them. And the best ones that are really nice as well, besides anchovies, is with tomato.
But tell us how you cook it, please. Tell us what's the way
You
to
just
cook
stick it in there
zippoli.
and see how it actually turns itself.
So you
when
don't have to do much.
Don't have to do much, and then when it's brown, nice and brown, you take it out and that's it. They're done.
So when do you know whether it's right
When
color? What
they
kind
got-
of brown
they
do you
got
want
a
this to
nice-
be?
They got a nice beigey colour. You'll see in a second.
Goldy colour.
Goldy colour, sorry.
Okay.
See how it's going brown now?
Yes. Oh yeah, I can tell. Okay.
That's it.
So it's not ready yet, but it's getting ready.
Yeah, but it's nearly there. See that it's nice golden brown? Look at that, beautiful.
Beautiful.
That's it.
Show us. Show me.
Nice and golden brown.
Oh yeah.
Right. Nice texture, nice shape. Beautiful.
Beautiful. So you can make it any size you want.
You can make them big, small.
Big, small, round, long.
No, I don't make it around. I'm used to a long way.
There are different traditions. There are different towns.
Everyone makes a different.
That's right.
Everyone's a different.
Look at that.
Nice.
Nice basil sardine. Mmm.
Show us the dough, please. I want to see the dough.
Look at that. Nice and brown on the outside. Crispy and nice and soft on the inside.
Make it. And show us one with mozzarella. So what do you do?
That's a mozzarella.
Okay, do you still need the oil?
Yes.
Okay, put a little bit of olive oil on top of the dough.
A little bit, just a little bit, not much. And just put a little bit of mozzarella. Just another little
Use
piece.
pasty cheese,
Nice.
whatever cheese you want.
And that's,
Well, mozzarella I think is better.
yeah, I like the mozzarella too. And you just roll it and
You roll it.
and you cook it.
Beautiful.
That's if you don't want sardines.
Easy.
Yeah.
Now guys, I want to
Please,
know, whatever, I don't know where you guys are from, you can be from anywhere in the world. Tell us, what's your traditional party food? You know, something that you make for a party, for a festival. I want to know. For Calabrese, zippoli. What about you? Wherever you're from, tell us. We want to know. I'm gonna try and make my first zippoli Calabrese I've ever made in my life. A little bit of oil. I'm going to make a caprese for you, okay?
Sì.
Caprese zippoli. Okay. So I get this amount. Is it okay, Maria?
Sì, sì.
Get this much.
Sì, that much, yeah.
And then I'm gonna put basil.
Basil.
And I put mozzarella.
Mozzarella.
And I love my mozzarella.
Yes.
And then I put some cherry tomatoes, which I'm going to
Bravo.
squeeze a little bit. All over it. No, like that.
Okay.
Right. Oh, yeah, you
It
can.
is a bomb.
Yeah.
It's the first time I make it. If it's not
All right,
good,
doesn't matter.
don't blame me.
You're only learning, that's all. That's fine.
Okay, so you don't want to see any holes. See here, I made a hole?
No, put
Not
it-
good. So
no.
I put a little bit more
Try a
dough.
little bit. Better there. Roll it again, you
Roll
know?
it again.
That's good.
Yeah. So I'm gonna make my round so you can recognize
Yeah,
mine,
you can make
okay?
a round, yeah.
Look, okay, can I put it in, Tony?
Yes, you
Put it in,
can.
Bello.
Let's put it in, Tony.
Yes,
There you go.
can.
Let's see how we go.
That's
Beautiful.
Here it is. And this is dedicated to you, Maria. This is what you're gonna have tonight for
That's
dinner.
what I'm gonna do.
Look, it looks like a rose. Look how romantic I am.
It's
It looks like a rose.
Yes,
All I
like a
need
roll.
now is
Like a donut.
yeah.
Like a donut.
Make today, guys. This is what you show us. Have a bite. Yeah, more, bigger one, bigger bite. Look at the cheese. Yes. All right, let's see if I did a good job. That's a bomb. Looks like a rose. Let's see if the Calabrese approve it.
That's oh.
The dough is perfect. Look at that.
tell
That's
it's gooey.
mozzarella.
See how that mozzarella was
It's a caprese. Zippolo. It's nice. Look at the cheese over there. Look.
tomato too. Beautiful.
Do you approve it?
Beautiful. It looks spectacular.
Ah.
How's it taste?
Thank you so much, Maria, for showing us how to make the zippoli. Thank you, everyone, for showing this wonderful traditional recipe.
You're welcome.
What can I say? We'll see you in the next Vincenzo's Plate video recipe. E ora si mangia.
Thank you, Vincenzo's plate.
Oh,
But hang on. I think it's Maria's plate.
I think it's Maria's plate. Yay!
Okay.
Maria's plate. Yay! Thank you, Maria. Buon Natale. Thank you, teacher.
It's okay. I've never done this.
I know, there's always a first time. Doesn't matter how old you are. There's always something new to do in
I
life.
see.
How much do you love making it?
How many?
How much do you love making this?
Oh, I love you very much.
Do we cover?
Oh, sorry. Go wash my hands now.
Okay, show us your hands. We want to see your hands.
Look, my hands.
Cover the microphone, but don't cover. Yeah.